Hey guys, we are back with another exciting list of the top 14 gadgets every man should see. So get ready and let's start. When we talk about shavers, there are few that can rival the quality and performance of Braun shavers. Series 6 is the optimal choice for everyone since it is a great shaver and it's not the most expensive one. And I'm talking from experience since I've personally used the Braun shaver for more than 10 years. So, it comes equipped with a SensoFlex swivel head that adapts to your skin's needs, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. Plus, the SensoFoil blades provide an incredibly close and comfortable shave. The battery allows for up to 3 weeks of shaving time, and if you're in a rush, just a quick 5-minute charge is all you need for a full shave. Best of all, it's 100% waterproof, so you can use it in any situation, even in the shower. If you are a racing game enthusiast, the Logitech Playseat trophy is a must-have accessory for an immersive and realistic gaming experience. It is a high-end gaming chair designed for comfort and style. It features a sturdy steel frame, adjustable armrests, and a padded seat and backrest for long-lasting support. The chair also has a built-in speaker system and a USB port for charging your devices. When you combine all of this with a lot of simulation racing games, you'll have an immersive and exhilarating gaming experience. The Angel View mirror is a rear-view mirror with a wider angle than the typical small and flat ones that often come with cars. Its curved glass allows for an extended view, making it easier to see beyond your car's rear windows. The mirror is almost 12 inches long and has a convex shape that enables you to see your blind spots and the lanes behind you. With this mirror, you won't have to turn your head in all directions to check your blind spot before changing lanes. Instead, one glance at the mirror will provide you with a full view of the lanes behind you. However, we still recommend checking your blind spot before merging or changing lanes. The mirror's 160-degree view significantly improves your awareness of the cars around you and your safety while driving. Think back to the last time you were tackling a home improvement project and required a precise tool size to fix the problem. The Red Dog socket is a versatile tool that can accommodate most fasteners such as nuts, bolts, and screws of various sizes and shapes. It's a compact product about the size of a battery that combines many socket tools and is compatible with most socket wrenches and power drills. At first, it may sound too good to be true, but the way it operates is genuinely brilliant. This tiny gadget is packed with dozens of steel pins that can wrap around almost any object, whether it's a bolt, drill bit, screw, or flower hook. With the assistance of these pins, it can grasp onto anything you require it to and hold on tightly. After experimenting with it on several different types of fasteners, we discovered that it genuinely won't let go until you need it to. The Lizard Flare light is a remarkable innovation designed to ensure maximum visibility in emergencies. It boasts an ultra-bright 360-degree LED flare that can be seen from almost a mile away. Its waterproof and weatherproof design guarantees its durability in harsh weather conditions. Furthermore, the Lizard Flare light has 9 different flashing patterns, providing users with a wide range of options depending on their specific needs. It is reliable and effective in all situations because, unlike conventional flares, it is electric and won't go out in the rain or wind. The M100 is an outstanding screwdriver that can be carried with ease. It features a composite frame suitable for holding 2 1/4-inch tool bits and a steel-reinforced screwdriver, socket capable of handling ample torque for tightening various items. The M100 is available in a compact, portable set that includes 6 versatile wrenches ranging from 5 to 14 millimeters. To use, simply position the wrench over the nut and slide it until you achieve the desired size. The M100 boasts a robust 420 stainless steel core, perfect for tackling demanding tasks. Lastly, it even incorporates a built-in bottle opener, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing beverage once your work is complete. The RAK Magnetic pickup tool with LED lights is a handy and adaptable tool that's ideal for electronics and mechanics enthusiasts. It has a magnetic pickup head that can retrieve tiny parts like screws, nuts, and bolts from cramped spaces. The LED lights illuminate the area for clearer visibility, which helps locate and recover components. The tool is user-friendly and can be operated with one hand, making it a fantastic addition to any electronics repair kit. Get ready to enjoy a huge screen experience, no matter where you are with the super convenient Freestyle projector. It automatically adjusts the screen size, levels the image, and focuses it perfectly for you. Plus, you can use the Samsung Smart TV features to enjoy endless entertainment options and immerse yourself in the audio with premium 360-degree sound. Adjust brightness and color settings with your voice and soak up all the vibrant high-definition glory on a screen up to 100 inches. Introducing the Jetson, a revolutionary personal aircraft that's both sleek and lightweight. With 8 high-powered motors and propellers, the Jetson's propulsion system is super powerful, making flying a breeze. This eVTOL is the first affordable model on the market. And the best part is that you don't need a pilot's license to fly it in the United States. Its unique flight computer is designed to make flying a piece of cake. You'll use your left hand to control altitude and your right hand to steer, which makes it an intuitive system that can turn anyone into a pilot in just 5 minutes or less. The Jetson one is equipped with a state-of-the-art safety cell that's inspired by race cars, so you can fly with peace of mind. Even if one motor fails, the safety cell provides protection and allows the aircraft to continue flying. Additionally, the Jetson one comes with an auto-landing function and multiple safety features to ensure your safety in case of an emergency. And the price? It's a little less than $100,000. Are you in search of an efficient lighting solution for your garage? You might want to feel the Nebo High Bright LED garage light. This product emits 1,200 lumens of light, which is more than enough to brighten up your garage for various purposes such as vehicle repairs, inventory storage, or general illumination. Also, this LED bulb is designed to last, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. And when you consider that your electrical bill will not increase, we can say that's a wise investment for any garage owner. Wine enthusiasts rejoice! Introducing the air pressure wine bottle opener, the ultimate must-have tool for all wine lovers out there. With this device, you can effortlessly open your favorite bottle of wine in just a matter of seconds. Here's how it works. Simply insert the needle into the cork, pump a few times, and watch as the air pressure effortlessly pushes the cork out of the bottle. It's that easy. This tool is not only simple and efficient, but it's also a great conversation starter at dinner parties. Looking for a reliable way to unclog your sewer lines? The high-pressure nozzle is an effective solution that uses a powerful blast of water to clear even the toughest blockages. Its narrow design creates a focused jet of water that can penetrate deep into the pipes, cutting through any grease, roots, or debris in its path. With this gadget, you can say goodbye to clogs and enjoy uninterrupted water flow once again. It's a great tool that will save you time and make your life easier by taking away one less worry. Looking for a simple way to keep your home free of pesky bugs? The Katchy automatic indoor insect trap is an amazing solution. It features a UV light that attracts flying insects and then uses a fan to suck them in and trap them on a sticky glue board. Its design is basic and blends in with your decor, making it a user-friendly choice. Moreover, it's safe and eco-friendly, requiring no harmful chemicals. The replaceable glue board captures mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and more, and it's recommended to replace it at least once a month. This versatile insect trap can be placed almost anywhere, making it an affordable option for anyone looking to protect their family from bugs. It currently costs about $45. Next, a camping stove that can do it all. You've got to check out the BioLite Campstove 2. This cool little stove runs on wood and even charges your USB devices while you cook. Plus, it's super eco-friendly and uses less fuel than other stoves. And don't worry about cooking in the dark. It's got a built-in LED light. It cost about $150.